Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your OPPO ENCO AIR3S. And let's get started with open the application, and I want to show you that I customized gesture. So for the single tap we have play pause on the both of the earbuds. For the double press I prefer play previous track, and for the right one to call voice assistant. For the triple press we have next track, and press and hold it's the same as what by default. Now let's test it. So if I press one time on my right or left earbud, I will play or pause the song. So I press on it and I just pause the song, and I press again and I play a song. If you wanna increase the volume, you should press and hold on your right earbud. So just press and hold. Oh, and we should play some track. Okay, so press and hold, and as you can see I increase the volume. To lower, just press and hold on your left earbud. Okay, maybe I press it bad. And as you can see, it worked. Yeah. Yes, it worked. Now, to play next track, you should press 3 times on your right or left earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. To play previous track, you should press 2 times on your left earbud, because I add for the right earbud another function. So 1, 2, and here we go. And the last one, you can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant by pressing 2 times on your right earbud. So 1, 2, and as you can see, Siri is awake. So it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.